In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with Facebook step by step. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, select the store you want to connect with Facebook. Next, scroll down and click on Settings located in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Inside Settings, select Apps and Sales Channels. This is where you can install integrations and marketing tools for your Shopify store. Now click on Shopify App Store and search for the Facebook and Instagram app. Once you find the app, click Install to begin the setup process. Shopify will ask you to confirm permissions before continuing. After installation, open the Facebook and Instagram app inside Shopify and click Connect Account. You'll now be asked to log into your Facebook account. Make sure you use the Facebook account connected to your business page and Meta Business Manager. Next, choose the Facebook page and business account you want linked to your Shopify store. You can also connect your Instagram business account if you want to sell products across both Facebook and Instagram. After selecting your accounts, Shopify will begin syncing your products with Facebook Shop. Once the setup is complete, your products can appear on Facebook and Instagram, allowing customers to discover and purchase directly from your social platforms. Before going live, review your product catalog, shipping settings, and Facebook commerce policies to make sure everything is configured properly. Thanks for watching.